Namaste and welcome to our channel on Cloud 9. In the last episode, we spoke about adding a sattvic food to our diet leads to a healthy body and a pleasant mind. A few alterations to our cooking style can help retain nutrients and add a zing to the taste as well. In this episode, we have few friends who are enthusiastic and passionate about cooking will share a creative simple tips by using an easily available ingredient to make dishes healthy and yummylicious.
Hello, my name is Preeti. Since On Cloud 9 is doing food series now, here's a healthy ingredient that I use. It's called finger millet, popularly known as ragi or nachni. Ragi has a very impressive nutrition profile. It is fiber rich, has vitamin C, calcium, iron, it is gluten free and many more. There are a few ways in which I use this. I usually slip in a small amount of ragi flour in my idli batter and dosa batter, and the entire family benefits. Or make a sweet porridge, with jaggery of course, to address someone with a sweet tooth. Or adding it to cakes and cookies that you might bake with your kids in the holidays. Adding a small portion ensures that the overall taste is not diluted much and no one creates a fuss, especially if you have children in the house.
Hello everyone, I am Jayanti from Singapore. So cooking and serving healthy food is one of my interests. So as we know, these are ajwain leaves that help in digestion, and it is given to children to increase their appetite. So pluck a few of these leaves, saute them with cumin seeds and some black pepper, grind them up in the mixie, add some black salt and yogurt to it to make an excellent raita.
This is Madhushri sharing simple tips enhancing our taste in our daily cooking along with health and flavor.
I try the mint leaves. जो पुदीना होता है उसको मिक्सी में ग्राइंड कर देते हैं. This powder I mix it in the ghee, so this helps in giving it a big nice flavor. This I apply it to the roti which I make. It's good flavor and it helps digestion. Thank you.
A salad before the meal helps to give an alkaline base to our stomach. A simple salad with cucumber, carrots, beetroot, tomatoes provides vitamin. Adding in some peanuts and sesame seeds to it, it's an effective way to take in protein and calcium. It has a crunchy taste too. So we can also crush peppers and raw mustard seeds to it. It is easily available in our kitchen and great for everyday use.
Podis are these healthy powders that are very popular in India and typically had with idlis, dosas or hot rice. These could be made of lentils like urad dal, chana dal or even peanuts and sesame. So here I have one such podi to which I have additionally added moringa leaf powder. You can also use curry leaves or flaxseed powder as excellent options, and these powders are very handy to keep at home because you can quickly sprinkle them on top of your curries, veggie stir fries, dal salads to make them additionally tasty and nutritious. So let me show you what's cooking today. What I'm going to do here is take this moringa powder, just a little bit of sprinkle, and it gives a nice earthy flavor. So hope you enjoy it, and we're going to enjoy our lunch shortly. We hope you found these tips on creative sprinkles in food interesting and practical. Do like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such tips coming up. Until next time, Sukhi Bhava.